Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change the language on the Google Maps application. So firstly we have to enter our application like I am now, and here we have to now tap our profile picture at the top right corner. Here now we have to open settings, and now we have to tap App Language at the top of our screen. Here we have suggested, which is system default, or we can choose between all these. As you can see, app languages. Let me, for example, set it for a moment for Romanian. As you can see, now we are changing language. And now to go back, we have to tap our profile picture. We have to go to the settings, which are here, and the first option. Now we have to select our language, and that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.